kajika di komputer bat di laptop kabahajan jongphi hapaham sim nongpo Riboy district marpersya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School wantit nangi ngin airu kawaranti hendriu banaya ki laptop bat khatar banaya ki desktop kini ki mar refurbish lane ki all stock
Banang na susu ban aya ka jing sakri ka bakhamba susu yaki khana school na lor ka kam ban sam ya ka jing nang jing stan ki bor panya school jong ka St Peter Secondary School kadhor Riboy district menta ka sngi ki la yok diang ya ka school bus ya ka bala penmang na ka chief minister special fund ha ka bala penyo jing rap lengbau emali ka than uba sustenance sotun ha ka ni ka sngi bala IT ya ka ni ka bus Daw MLA Shaki Board Panya School lai don lang ru Shri Raja Brahma MCS subadi project director DRDA Riboy district lembat kiwei balaya sakhilang ringkat kinohingkai bat ki khana school
ya sisundon ngan khap ilu ribon kum kadak ban beli no sisundon ni kini ke bos bakini ban penun kam publish bun
I hope you all know that this bus which is parking there, the new bus which the Honorable Chief Minister has allotted to a special fund, and on this day I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Salma for the continued support for the people of Jirang Conferency, and I hope that this bus, the special fund which he has given, it will help the students and the institution as well. My dear children, as I came to know that you are going to start your final exam 2024 from today itself. My best wishes to all of you, and I hope that your hard work will bear good fruits, and I'm wishing you all the best for the final exam. And my request to all starting from the headmaster, the teachers, sisters, and all the students, boys and girls, to continue praying for our officers. We have here our PD project director, at the same time as the additional deputy commissioner, with a good combination with our PDO, Dr. Hajong, we could manage many developmental works with regards to our Conferency Jirang. Thank you so much, Brahma and Dr. Hajong, and I'm looking forward for more and more projects that you'll be implementing for the betterment of our conferency. So once
very fast and has given us or allotted us this school bus. And I sincerely from the part of the parish and as the school with all the students here, I would like to say thank you so much to our dear Chief Minister, Conrad K. Salma. And to our Srimati Amkarin Lingok, who is also good and kind, who have also visited us, and through her intercession that we are able or we receive this bus. And mind you, these people love us so much and have been working so hard so much. And we like and always pray for them. And not the least, I also express my sincere thanks to our Sultan Sultan, who is our MLA, he is also at the back, and all of us, and us, we know that now also he is very busy, but then he makes himself available to come over to our school and to inaugurate the school bus of our St. Peter's Secondary School. May I speak in Khasi for a few sentences? I go to word 9. Bleshibun, Pareng, Sotun, he Falel Ha, Kamtam, he, Don Barber Hasla Ajugi, Akam Juban Kanagoto Por of Young M, Habagi Lab, Karpat Api Bun KK, Katilong Barber Hoor, Nabata Kalega Prai, in Agajing Kapkin of Kabata Sotun, but they have the Ajugi. I also express my sincere thanks to PD, who is also the project director, and the additional deputy commissioner, who is also assisting us, to our PDO, who is also here with us, to our GE, to our assistant GE, and to father who is here. My dear friends, sisters, brothers, and you media students, this bus is a service that has given to our school. We wish and hope that all of you will also make chances of this opportunity that has given to us by the government. And I wish all of you, my students, that may you also enjoy as the privilege has been given to you. And I start here to say thank you so much to the government that have been good and kind to us, and all of you, my students, including all the teachers and all of you present here, parents. Once again, from my sincere heart, I would like to say thank you so much, and all the best to you, my dear students, for your final